Hi friends, welcome back to Open Happiness. Today we are going to talk about where does life exist inside our body. Recently I came across a post in internet which made me thinking deep. Where does life truly exist inside our body? Recently the world lost one of the greatest scientific minds, Dr. James Watson, who passed away at the age of 97. Along with Francis Crick, he gave humanity one of the most revolutionary discoveries since Charles Darwin, the structure of DNA. For centuries, people wondered how life began on Earth. The easiest answer is God created it. But scientists kept searching for how creation actually began. That's when the Primeval soup theory was born. It said that around 4.5 billion years ago, when the Earth was still cooling after the Big Bang, the oceans were filled with four elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. These combined to form the first chemical reaction that created the earliest single cell life. They call this combination CHON. C for carbon, H for hydrogen, O for oxygen, N for nitrogen, the foundation of all living beings. From that one tiny cell, through billions of years of evolution, came every creature on earth, until finally us. But what exactly is life? If something can create its own energy, reproduce, and one day stop existing, that's life. And within that process lies the blueprint of all existence: DNA. DNA isn't just a molecule, it's a script. Inside every cell, it writes everything about us: our voice, our eyes, our strength, even the day we will stop breathing. It's the silent book of instructions that defines every living thing. Yet here is the mystery. If everything is written in our DNA, does hard work mean nothing? Maybe not. DNA gives us the script, but life is the performance. Two people may have similar genes, but one pushes harder, learns faster, and lives louder. That effort can even change how genes express, something science calls epigenetics. So, yes, DNA writes the code, but how beautifully we perform it, that's our freedom, our will. And then again, what if that push to perform was written in the DNA too? What if the drive to wake up, to fight, to dream was also part of the same code? Because even the smallest cell fights to survive. Maybe the will to live is not our choice. Maybe it's life itself choosing through us. That's what makes it so magical. Both things can be true at once. Life is coded yet free. The code gives the spark, the spirit gives it direction. We often say, out of millions of sperm, one won the race. We call it luck, destiny, or hard work. But new science tells a gentler truth. The egg isn't waiting, it signals, it chooses, it releases chemical messages that help the right sperm find its way. So, even at the very beginning of life, it wasn't just a race, it was a connection, a call, and a response. A moment where both destiny and effort met halfway. Maybe that's what life really is, a dance between what's written and what we choose. So, when you ask, where does life exist inside our body? Science will say in the DNA, spirit will say in the breath, but maybe both are right. Because life isn't just what's coded inside us, it's what we do with that code every time we choose to take the next breath. If you like the reflection, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.